How to use a Minibus Onboard BraunAbility wheelchair lift, a step-by-step guide from CVM World. Step 1. Turn the switch on to activate the lift system. Step 2. Retrieve the handheld controller attached to the lift and press the appropriate button to deploy the lift from its stowed position. Ensure the lift unfolds completely before moving on. Step 3. Using the controller, press the button to lower the platform until it reaches the ground. Wait for the lift to settle completely before proceeding. Step 4. Guide the wheelchair user onto the lift platform and engage the wheelchair brakes to ensure the passenger is steady before lifting. Step 5. Press the Up button on the controller to raise the platform. Ensure the wheelchair remains stable while ascending. Step 6. Once at the correct height, carefully push the wheelchair forward into the minibus. Step 7. Once the wheelchair is safely inside, press the button to stow the lift back into its storage position. Step 8. Ensure the lift is properly locked and secured and place back the handheld controller. Turn the switch off to deactivate the lift system, and that's it. You are now ready to start driving safely.